It's the mother of all government's aid and relief programs. And it's a traveling roadshow that punctuates the president's assistance to farmers, fisherfolk, and families in need program with even bigger cash handouts, a ton of support services, more training, and livelihood programs to the beneficiaries of the place it visits. Our Melalas Moras has more on the Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair now in the province of Surigao del Sur.
JASEM arrived early here at De La Salle John Bosco College in Bislig City, Surigao del Sur to participate in the Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair. As a college student, JASEM said he would really appreciate any help or aid from the government to help sustain all his needs in school. Good thing is he got what he wished for and couldn't help himself from expressing gratitude.
Of course, pag-aaral ko, I am studying at Northeastern Mindanao State University, and we are having a financially unstable po talaga kami, and kailangan ko po yung pera para sa mga instructional materials ko po para sa eskwelahan.
House Speaker Martin Romualdez spearheaded today's launching of the BPSF Caravan in Surigao del Sur. This program aims to bring various government aid and programs closer to Filipinos. During his speech, Romualdez emphasized not only being focused on creating legislation, but also on the implementation of the new set of laws just passed. That's why they are crisscrossing the country to ensure or check if government programs are being felt by our countrymen.
Araw-araw, gabi-gabi, hindi lang sa sariling distrito pero sa buong Pilipinas, nag-iisip po sila, kami po lahat dito, kung paano ipapagaan at papagandahan ang buhay ng ating mga kapwa Pilipino. Kaya mahal-mahal ko po sila kasi bilang leader of the House of Representatives, sila po ang kasamahan ko. At hindi talaga natin magagawa ito kung wala sila dito.
According to the House Speaker's office, the total worth of services and aid provided at the BPSF Caravan in the province amounts to more than 500 billion or 560 million pesos. One of the agencies which extended various forms of assistance was the Department of Migrant Workers.
Sa ngayon po, mayroon kaming dinistribute na ang total po na i-download namin is 1,270,000. That's composed of 85 beneficiaries. Ang masasabi ko sa mga OFW dito sa bagong pamahalaan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr., inilalapit na po ng pamahalaan ang serbisyo sa mga tao, hindi lang po sa OFW, sa buong Pilipinas, sa kapwa Pilipinos.
Aside from the Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair, among other programs which were launched in the province include the Cash Assistance and Rice Distribution or CARD program, the Startup Incentives Business Opportunity and Livelihood or CBIL program, and the Integrated Scholarship and Incentives program for the youth. For all these blessings, Surigaonons are deeply grateful.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa kang President Marcos kasi nabigyan po kami, nakasali kami rito. Maraming salamat po sa iyong binibigay na tulong sa aming mahihirap. Maraming salamat.
Bislig City, Surigao del Sur, Melalas Moras for a new and better Philippines.